Entrepreneurial mistake number 5 that a lot of small business owners are going to make when they're again starting up or when they're trying to grow their business is they plan until the cows come home. Some people are going to go ahead and start the business out of passion. Others are going to go ahead and plan and plan and plan and plan and plan. They're going to write your business plan, they're going to write your operations plan, and they're going to be incredibly detailed. And then they're going to go ahead and research the industry every year for the next 2 to 3 years before they even consider starting their organization. Don't plan until the cows come home. Have a one-page business plan, one-page operating plan, one-page marketing plan. Have your financial model set ready to go. And once you have those documents, that's a great foundation to move to the next level. Hopefully y'all found this information helpful. Again, Dr. Paul Borosky here. And if y'all would like some more information on top reasons why small businesses fail or the top 5 common mistakes entrepreneurs make, check out my books. You can find them on Amazon as well as on my website. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thanks.